Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up in the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Today, I have a pin grail to share with you. Thank you to all my Disney YouTube friends who are inspiring me to continue to expand my very fledgling pin collection. So I am playing catch up essentially. It's not so much a pin singular as in pins, as in this wonderful D23 Around the World Disney Parks pin set. I am not a D23 member for some reason. I don't know, I just have other things on my plate right now, which has not allowed me to take advantage of being a D23 member at the gold level, which I know gives you access to exclusive pins and other great perks. I saw that cute Mickey statue going around. Very, very darling. I think that's very amazing that they give gifts like that for their members. But again, so many other things going on here. It's New York City. My money be tied up other places, you know? But let's go ahead and get into this. Okay. Now, the seller gave me this at a great price. I think I paid like $40 for this. And it was retailing for like, I forget what it was retailing for. I'll put it here. Comes with this pamphlet here. Again, you've all probably already seen this. Like I said, I'm playing catch up. So it came with this passport book, which is super cute. And then it has all these stamps here. And then as you get the idea that, you know, it goes to highlights all the parks. Now it did not have another couple items that came with it. Like there was another pin. But again, don't really care. Oh yeah, there was an aviation pin and a luggage tag that was supposed to go here. But it did not come with that, which I don't mind. I don't really need them. This to me is what really matters. Is all these beautiful pins that are representing Disney properties across the globe. I'm gonna go ahead and take these off and show them individually. I love the art style of these. This is so cute. This is representing Disneyland, the first park, Walt's Park. As you can see here, it has the castle. It has Mr. Toad. It has the Small World here represented. It has the Mickey Pal Around. Now it's turned into Pixar Pal Around. We have a hitchhiking ghost, and then we have the cozy cone represented there for Cars Land. Of course, we have the Matterhorn, which is so great with the the D flag flying off the top of it. This is so gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is beautiful. It is a two-prong post, but it doesn't have any waffling on the back. Here we have Walt Disney World. You see Cinderella's Castle, Epcot, the monorail. You see Tower of Terror. You see Orangeburg. You see Figment, and you see the Tree of Life there. This is so freaking cool. I think the set is so well worth it just alone with all the icons that they put into these pins. It's so amazing. I have yet to go to this park. It's on my list, I know, but it's super sad. I'm on the East Coast and have not yet gone. But Disneyland is my home park. I keep saying that over and over again, but again, so gorgeous. I love this. The next pin we have here is representing Disney Cruise Line, and you can see here, that's actually Captain Minnie. You can tell from the eyelashes on her face, and of course the shoes. Then you have here this adorable Chip and Dale as sailors. They're so cute. And then you have one of these ships here representing the cruise lines. There's so many of them. This is on my bucket list to get onto a Disney cruise. Hopping across the pond, as they say, we have here Disneyland Paris representing Sleeping Beauty's castle herself. This is her own castle. The one in Disneyland is supposed to be her parents' castle. You have Phantom Manor. You have Remy here from Ratatouille. You have Cheshire Cat, Big Thunder Mountain. You have the water tower here representing Hollywood Studios. It have a spaceship at the top. It's not a TIE fighter. I know it's not. Don't roast me in the comments, but of course it's supposed to represent Galaxy's Edge. My gosh, that was so hard to think of. Here you have Shanghai Disney. This is the land that I'm actually the least familiar with. I haven't really done much research on what they have there, but you see they have Peter Pan represented there. The first park to get the Tron ride represented here. that is now at Magic Kingdom years later. It's just so cute, so gorgeous. Still love to go. It's on my list. Next we have what I think is another beloved park, which is Hong Kong Disneyland. And I love here because, okay, they have Space Mountain in this one. They have little Dumbo, who's so cute. And then they have this monkey. I can't think of his name. I'll put it here. But he is an integral part of Mystic Manor, which is their version of Haunted Mansion. They had to do something different because it's very taboo to talk about like ghosts and whatnot for their culture. It's very like, it's very disrespectful. And they came up with Mystic Manor, which is so freaking cool. I love it. That is definitely on my bucket list to go to Mystic Manor for sure. And last but certainly not least, the one park to rule them all is Tokyo Disney Resort. So amazing. It's just so next level. Look at, they got Boo there with Sully, and they have Baymax. This is so freaking cute. And they have Duffy there, who's so cute. And then you have some elements here of Disney Sea being represented here. And then of course the castle. Like I said, the one park to rule them all. Anyone who's been here has claimed that this is the best of everything. And I don't doubt it. The Japanese do not mess around. To have this is just amazing. When I first came out, I was like, oh my gosh, maybe someday, somehow, I'm never really going to get it. But then, it happened. I pulled the trigger and we made it a thing. So this is great. I'm probably going to keep it in here for just a little bit until I decide to frame it in some way. Definitely want to keep the back of this. It's just gorgeous. I can't wait to put this up and enjoy it. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me. Do you have this collection? Please comment down below which one was your favorite. I honestly don't have a favorite. This is every Disney person's dream, is to hit all the parks. It is. I know that someday I'm gonna make it happen. It's just a matter of time. But I first gotta start with Walt Disney World. Please remember to be safe. Tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.